Hey, what's good, DDT? Today I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to buy and sell option contracts.
Shut up and sit down.
I'm using Webull, but I'm pretty sure you can apply this to the other brokerages you use. It's the same idea, same concept, just different format of brokerages. So what you want to do when you're buying a or a put contract. So first things first, you want to look for your contracts, right? And your contracts will pop up here. For me, it's at this widget settings. I'll pull it up with options right here, and then it pops up your contracts right here. You'll choose, whatever strike price it is you want. So let's say right now the current price of this ticker AMD is at 150, and let's say you're buying calls, right? You want to buy a strike price above 150. So either 155, 160, 165. It doesn't matter which strike price you choose, as long as if you're buying the call that you're above the strike price, right? So when you're going to buy the strike price, you would click on that strike price, and then over here for me on Webull, I have these two pages, these two tabs linked together. So when you do click on the strike price you want, over here for me it pops up that I am trying to buy a AMD call at 160 strike price for that expires November 12th, right? So what you'll do then is you'll hover over to buy, and on option contracts you can't buy market because of like volatility or something with that. It won't let you. So you have to buy limit when you're buying contracts. You buy the limit, however many contracts it is you want to buy. I like to buy at least two, so that way in case I'm in the money, I can sell one and let the other one ride or whatever. So you choose how many contracts you want to buy, and then your limit price, depending, like for example, limit price would be the ask. You always want to buy the ask. If there's an entry at a specific price, right? At the entry, you don't want to buy that price entry. So what I mean by that is, let me pull up an example real quick. You don't want to buy, for example, let's say on AMD, your entry is 152.76, right? That's your entry to let you know to place the order, not to actually buy a strike price of 152 or etc. That's just the entry is just to let you know that's when you should place your order. So once you figure that out and you're about to place your order, you would place your order by buying the ask. You want to buy the ask or the bid. Mainly, I would go with the ask because then you'll get filled right away. You buy the ask as the price is moving. Click on the ask right before your entry. Make sure you're in day, and then you place your order. Now to sell it, all you have to do is you click the same. You go to the same strike price that you chose. And then instead of hovering over to buy, you go to sell. And when you're selling contracts, you can actually sell at market. You don't have to sell at a limit. You could if you want, but you can just sell at market, and then you place your order, and that's pretty much it. So when you are looking at expiration dates, also just to remind you guys, if you're buying a contract the same day that it expires, it comes with a lot more risk of that contract becoming worthless if it's not going your way. So just keep that in mind that when you want to sell it, again, market order, you're going to go market type, it's going to be market, order type, market, and then place order, and that's it. That's pretty much how you would distinguish which, you choose your strike price, let's say 160 again. You choose your strike price, you hover over here, you go on the buy, you click limit, however many contracts you want to buy, you set that on your own, and then the limit price has to be the ask. So let's say your entry passes and you're not able to buy the ask, right there and then, like you miss your entry, you can always buy the bid and then just wait for the stock to come back down and then fill you in on that bid, and then most likely it's gonna probably have a rubber band effect and then move back up. So that's the only time you would really want to buy like the bid, is if you want to wait till it pulls back a little bit and then you get filled and then it starts to move back up. Or if you want to just buy as you're hitting entry, you buy the ask as soon as you hit the entry, and then you're in the profits as you go up. And then again, you sell the same way you would sell regular shares: market order and then place order. But yeah, that's a quick tutorial on how to buy and sell contracts on any platform, but I'm using Webull as an example. Thanks, guys.